another. It may be seen that the girl students with rucksacks, school bags on their backs were wading through the knee-deep water. Wading through, that means to make their way through the knee-deep water to reach their school nearby. Then the wheels of the parked cars were underwater. You can see the cars were parked on the road. They cannot move. They are choked completely, and their wheels are submerged in water. Anil, my brother, could not move his car. My brother Anil could not move his car. In the foreground, Anil can be seen. In the foreground, that means in front of the part which is in front of us. In the foreground, Anil can be seen. He volunteered to take my engaged sister to school by carrying her on his back. But he could not make it. The unusually heavy downpour continued, heavy rain continued in full fury for 2 days continuously. There were flashes of lightning accompanied by peals of thunder. The thundering. The drainage system failed completely. There was severe large-scale waterlogging at some places. Waterlogging, the waters on the road, saturated water on the road at some places. At some places, the level of the water was chest high. At some places, the water logging was up to knee and up to chest level. Most of the civil services, Nagri Suvidai, came to a standstill, रुक गई. School children and office goers bore the brunt of the consequences. इस हालात से ऑफिस जाने वाले, काम करने वाले लोग जो है परेशान हो गए. It took 2 to 3 hours for harried motorists to reach their offices. वो जो मोटार पर जाने वाले लोग हैं उनको 2-2 घंटे 3-3 घंटे लग गए. Then this paragraph, the second last, public transport was severely hit, disturbed. It caused hardships to everyone, जिससे सबको परेशानी हुई. Traffic jams became the rule of the road. Wherever you see the traffic jams. There were several accidents because of this situation. The vastly reduced number of buses which plied were chock full. काफी बसेस जो है अभी फिलहाल उनकी संख्या कम हुई, लेकिन फिर भी वो रुक गए. It caused freight tempers, जिससे लोगों को तकलीफ हुई, गुस्सा भी आने लगा. Most commuters were drenched. Some passengers were drenched. Commuters, that means the people on the road going from one place to another. They feared impending attacks. आने वाला जो अटैक है काय का of cold and fever over the coming days. Last paragraph. Rail tracks were submerged in water. रेल के जो ट्रैक है, they were in water. They were sunk in water. It disrupted train services. Train services were disturbed. Roadside vendors and stall owners were unable to do business. जो रोड साइड पर अपने बिजनेस करने वाले वेंडर्स लोग हैं, स्टॉल ओनर्स है, they could not make their business. It was difficult for them to make their business. Then in the low-lying area, जहाँ का एरिया नीचे है, low-lying areas. ऋषिकेश सर, खालचं पेज घ्या. ये 2-4 ओळी बाकी आहे. This page is over, please. ऋषिकेश सर, next page घ्या. 3-4 ओळींचा. हाँ, yes. Full page. थोडं small करा. थोडं small करा, small. हाँ, okay sir. Okay sir. So in the low-lying areas, temporary mud and bamboo structure houses collapsed. जो लेवल पर का नीचे का एरिया है, लो लाइंग एरिया, वहां पर मिट्टी से और बांबू के बने हुए जो घर है वो पूरे गिर गए. They were collapsed because of heavy rain and the continuous rain for 2 days. But the merciful God prevented any loss of life. But the God is merciful and he prevented loss of life. No life damage was there. Now, dear friends, last paragraph. So we have to believe what we are seeing in the picture. जो हमने पिक्चर में देखा उसके ऊपर अभी विश्वास करना पड़ रहा है. Some of the times, as in the outline it is said, some of the times it is very difficult for us to believe what we see in the picture or what we see in real. But when we see this scene, we have to believe rainy season has a unique flavor. हालांकि जो मानसून होता है, रेनी सीजन होता है, उसका अलग टेस्ट होती है, उसकी एक अलग मजा होती है. It is fascinating to see the sky laden with dark clouds and lightning tearing across them. Actually, sky जो है बादलों से भरा होता है और जो lightning है पूरे आकाश को चीरती हुई चलती है. So monsoon season or the rainy season has its own flavor or taste or enjoyment. लेकिन आज का जब हम सीन देखते हैं, when we see the scenes in the picture today, but when rain change the streets into swift, जो रास्ते हैं वो छोटे छोटे नाले बनते हैं, often deep, as in this picture, जैसा हम पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं. When roads become the rivulets, when roads become the rivulets like drainage systems, it is difficult to say whether it is a challenge for man or it is his misfortune. तो क्या कहना मुश्किल होता है? When we see like these scenes, it is difficult for us to say whether it is a challenge for the man. इंसान के लिए एक आह्वान है, चैलेंज है, या फिर इंसान का मिसफॉर्चून है, और it is his misfortune. So, dear friends, in this way we have seen this picture and we have described, made an account of this picture. ऋषिकेश सर, आता हॅलो ऋषिकेश सर, आता हे क्लोज करायचं आहे आणि आपला इंग्लिश पार्ट बी जे पीडीएफ आहे त्याच्यामध्ये सुरुवातीला पिक्चर रायटिंग आहे. पिक्चर रायटिंगचा एक टॉपिक आहे. तुम्ही त्या पेज नंबर 2 वर जर पाहिलं तर ती अनुक्रमणिकेमध्ये पिक्चर रायटिंग आहे. तर पिक्चर रायटिंगच्या पेजवर जायचंय. पेज नंबर तुम्हाला त्याच्यावर दिसेल. ते पिक्चर रायटिंग हा टॉपिक आहे. ठीक आहे. हा म्हणजे कंटेंट्स मध्ये पेज नंबर 2 वर तुम्हाला दिसेल पिक्चर रायटिंग आणि आफ्टर दॅट यू हॅव टू गो टू द कन्सर्न पेज. हे नंतरच आहे, हा नंतरचा आहे, पिक्चर रायटिंग नंतरचा आहे. सध्या आपला पिक्चर रायटिंग चालू आहे. हा सेकंड पेज वर घ्या, नेक्स्ट पेज वर घ्या, थोडस खाली वर घ्या. हा पिक्चर रायटिंग, एक मिनिट बस स्टॉप. पिक्चर रायटिंग पेज नंबर 88 to 96, पेज नंबर 88 to 96 आणि नंतर आपल्याला रिअरेंजमेंट पेज नंबर 79 वर नंतर जायचं अगोदर. नेक्स्ट. हा थोडस वर घ्या सर प्लीज. ओके सर, हे घ्या, हे पूर्ण पेज घ्या. हे थोडं एनलार्ज करा हे पेज. Now, dear friends, look at these pictures. Students, yes, look at this picture now. Hmm. Sports is seen here. Hmm. Yes. Now look at this picture. Sports scene is seen, and we have to write on it. We have to write on it. थोडं खाली घ्या सर. खालचं रायटिंग पाहिजे. पेज खाली घ्या. हा, येस. नाव स्टोरी. ओके ओके सर. बस. In the above picture, we have to write according to the picture now. We have in the above picture, two teams are playing volleyball. In the above picture, two teams are playing volleyball. Volleyball is a popular sport. Now we are writing about the volleyball. As far as our good knowledge about that particular game is concerned, means we have to be good at the sports vocabulary, and the information about the sport. Volleyball is a popular sport that is played professionally, as well as in recreational leagues, recreational enjoyments, professional level and as recreational level. On both levels we play volleyball on school teams. A typical volleyball game uses 6 players on each side. There are six players on each side. The aim is to deliver the ball over the net and ground it, have it touch the ground on the opposing side. The ball should be touched on the ground on the opposing side while preventing the ball from touching the ground on their side. Preventing the ball from touching the ground on their side. Yani we must not touch the ball on our side. It should be touched on opposing side. Next paragraph, volleyball was developed by the history of volleyball. William G. Morgan. The regulation volleyball court is a rectangle 18 meters by 9 meters divided into two equal squares by the center line. The net is 9.5 meters long and 1 meter deep. Volleyball uniforms consist of a vest or jersey, shorts, knee pads, and rubber or leather shoes. And those shoes should not have heels, without heels. In this picture, player wear same color t-shirts and white shirts. थोडंसं वर घ्या सर. हे थोडंसं वर घ्या. थोडंसं ते खालचं दिसू नाही लागलेलं आहे. हाँ बस ठीक है. Now last paragraph on the basis of this picture. Okay, yes. Play begins with the severe of the ball with the serve. We can call it as the service. Play begins with the serve of the ball and players take turns rotating around the court So each player gets a chance. Players rotate the ground so that each player gets a chance to serve the ball. Now, individual may hit or be touched by the ball twice. Yani one player or individually ball should not be touched twice in succession, and the ball must never be held. We must not hold the ball, lift it, or carry it. So this was about the picture that we have seen now. Sir, now आता या पेजवर या पेजवर येस पिक्चर आणि त्याचं रायटिंग ओके ओके सर look at this picture. Dear students, look this picture carefully now. ठीक आहे सर थोडंसं पिक्चर वर घ्या आणि रायटिंग yes this picture story. Shekhar, while studying in college, one day there was a felicitation program. One of the Indian Air Force pilot who had been awarded Veer Chakra in 1965 Indo-Pak War. Shekhar was very much impressed by this patriotic देशभक्ति पर राष्ट्रभक्तिमय patriotic and inspirational speech. Shekhar, while studying in college, one day there was a felicitation program. One of the Indian Air Force pilot who had been awarded Veer Chakra in 1965 Indo-Pak War. Shekhar was very much impressed by his patriotic and inspirational speech. Sir, please, next paragraph. पुढचा paragraph. हाँ बस. Yes, okay, sir. He determined to become a pilot in Indian Air Force. He decided very firmly that he would become a pilot in Indian Air Force. He made a lot of efforts in this direction. He made a lot of efforts in this direction. He studied hard and cleared NDA exam, National Defense Academy exam. In his first attempt, he cleared NDA exam in his first attempt and joined NDA Air Force Wing. He completed the course in excellent academic career and became pilot in Indian Air Force and deputed in one of the wing. Deputed, that means he was commissioned in one of the wing. He was given the charge. Last paragraph, dear friends. Shekhar got an opportunity to participate in 1971 Indo-Pak War. 1971 में इंडिया पाकिस्तान का जो वार हुआ तो उसमें पार्टिसिपेट होने का शेखर को मौका मिला. He got an opportunity to participate in 1971 Indo-Pak War, in which he showed heroic deed, attacked on enemy military installation and destroyed them by accurate bombing by his plane. For his heroic deed, अपने शौर्य के लिए he was awarded Paramveer Chakra by the President of India. So in this way, on the basis of this picture, this story has been written. Sir, page number, पुढचा पेज नंबर घ्या. हां, कोणते घ्या दोन्हीपैकी एक, हे घेतलं तरी चालेल. Now, dear friends, please look at this picture carefully. Sir, next, खाली. Rajesh, Robert, and Robin Singh, and Rohini. थोडंसं एनलार्ज करा, थोडं एनलार्ज करा हे. Studying, yes, Rajesh, Robert, Rahim, Robin Singh, and Rohini studying in a college and living together in a hostel. They are living together in a hostel. They have joined the NSS, National Service Scheme, NSS, and attended several camps. When they were in NSS, they attended several camps. One day, while they were watching a news on TV, there was a flash news that there was, and the news, what was the news? The news was that there was an earthquake quite 100 kilometers away from their town. The news was that there was an earthquake some 100 kilometers away from their town, in which, sir, थोड़ा वर घ्या, पॅरेग्राफ दिसून येईल, प्लीज वर घ्या थोडं. Yes, in which there was a lot of damage seen because of the earthquake. Suddenly, they came together, Rajesh, Robert, Rahim, and Robin Singh, and Rohini came together and made a plan to participate in rescue operation. They gave a call to other friends also, arranged one ambulance and a vehicle. They took all rescue material with them and rushed to the earthquake spot at midnight. Firstly, they provided first aid to injured persons. They provided first aid to injured persons, those who were seriously injured, and the people who were seriously injured were shifted to the district hospital by their ambulance. They helped the people to take out their household items. They helped the people to take out their household items from debris. डेब्रिज, भूकंप के वजह से जो सब पूरा साफ हो चुका है, वो जो डेब्रिज बन चुका है मिट्टी वगैरह घरों की, तो उसमें से लोगों के अपने अपने यूटेंसिल्स है या हाउस होल्ड आइटम्स है, उनको निकालने में इन लोगों ने मदद की. These students helped the local people to take their utensils or the household items from their house debris. They continued this rescue operation for 4 days continuously. And this is the education which has been given in NSS. Now, the last line, the district collector praised the rescue operation done by them and gave
Sir, less than 1 minute we have, sir. Hello, sir. All the participants, it is request that please rejoin the group again.